In today's video, I will walk you through how to disconnect your wallet from Uniswap. Whether you're using a shared device, switching wallets, or simply want to end your current session, disconnecting your wallet is a quick and easy way to improve your account security. Let's get started. Once you're on the Uniswap interface, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your connected wallet address or wallet icon, indicating that your wallet is currently connected to the platform. Click or tap on your wallet address to open the account menu. This menu displays information about your connected wallet, including your wallet address, network, token balances, and other connection options. To disconnect your wallet, look for the Disconnect on the Logout option. Select this option to end the current connection between your wallet and the Uniswap interface. After disconnecting, return to the Uniswap homepage. Instead of displaying your wallet address, you'll now see a Connect Wallet button, confirming that your wallet has been successfully disconnected from the platform. Keep in mind that disconnecting your wallet from Uniswap does not remove your cryptocurrency or delete your wallet. Your digital assets remain safely stored on the blockchain and can be accessed anytime by reconnecting your wallet. And that's how to disconnect your wallet from Uniswap.